Chlamydia is a bacterial infection that is what we would define as a sexually transmitted disease. It is very common, especially in the 15 to 19-year-old age group. In recent times, probably the last decade, there's been quite an increase, substantial increase, and especially in this area. So of all the things that I might go looking for, that's the first thing I'm going to look for. Untreated chlamydia infection can lead to long-term complications, and young women can have trouble falling pregnant when they choose to. For males, the same sort of thing can happen. There can be spread of the infection to the testicles, and that's where your sperm are made, and so that can impact on sperm production and so on fertility as well.
What did you want males in particular to do?
To come and get screened. If there's any risk whatsoever, and it doesn't matter if you don't know what your risk is, and even if it's really low and you've used a condom and done all the things that you're supposed to, it's still worthwhile coming and getting screened. Young women present to doctors really easily. They're very happy to come and have a chat. And probably some of that's around the fact that they need to have the discussion around contraception. And so that's easy for me then to ask about chlamydia and sexual health and those sorts of things. Whereas for guys, it's really hard to even get you to the front door.
Why are you focusing on males?
Because the clinic is now on campus, and it's a really easy place for you guys to come in and say hello and get some screening done. It's really easy. What I need you to do when you come and see me is you need to talk to my reception staff, tell them your name and address and date of birth, and bring your Medicare card. Once you've done that, you come in to say hello to me, and you might just say, I just want a chlamydia screen because I've seen this fantastic video. I won't necessarily ask you too many questions, okay? Because if you're a guy, I know it's probably been a big thing to come and see me. And then all I'm going to get you to do, and if you're a girl as well, is to wee into this little yellow bottle. Okay. I then send that off to pathology, where they work out if there's any chlamydia bugs in it, and they send me back a result, and I discuss with you how we're going to make contact for me to give you that result. It's as easy as that. It could probably take 5 minutes. I also have a branch practice in Devonport in Best Street at 106 Best Street, so you can come and see us there after school. And there's other surgeries around the place that you can go to, and if you explain what you want, they'll do the same procedure. But I guess at Don Medical Clinic we try really hard to make it a comfortable process for you guys. If you go to Don Medical Clinic's webpage, there is another webpage that you go to called Appoint to It, and that will allow you to make an appointment online. And there's also an app that you can download onto your phone. Really encourage you to do that because it's really easy to use. If it turns out to be positive, the treatment's really simple. It's 2 tablets that you take straight away, and that's it. All done and dusted. It's very effective medication. You won't know that you have it. That's the tricky thing about all of this, is that neither males or females will necessarily have symptoms. Okay, so there's no point waiting for something to happen because it might not happen, at which point the bug's inside doing potential damage. It's not that bad.